Hello viewers, welcome back my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw a paint cosmos flower on fabric. It's super easy. I will show you step by step easily. If you want to learn more details, then watch the video till the end. First, you have to search in Google to know about the cosmos flower. I am starting drawing with a detailed idea about its size and shape and color. Cosmos flower can be easily drawn with an oval shape. I put the drawing under the cloth and draw it with the impression. Here I have taken a few soft brushes. I used pigment color, which called acrylamine color. You can use fabric acrylic color also. I took the color palette and spray bottle. To spray water, I am inserting a poly in the back of the upper part of pillow so that color will not spread on the fabric. Then I am sticking the cloth in the frame. You will see a tutorial video on how to mix color in the description box. Here I am mixing white and red color and making pink. I am painting the flower petals with brushes. First with a light color coating, then with a dark color coating. I am highlighting some petals with white color. I have a tutorial gazania flower in my last video and hibiscus flower tutorial in the next video. Please don't miss it. Here I just sprayed water and I sprayed the color. I sprayed the whole background with different colors. It will look beautiful when the color is sprayed. Then when the color was dry, I gave it some leaf with a line of dark color. That's all today's video. Hope you learned something from it. If you want to learn something more me, please let me know. I will answer you or I will make another video for you. If this video is helpful for you, please give a like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you next video.